Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. As you can see, we are outside on this beautiful sunny day.
You probably heard of the Coke and Mentos experiment.
Today we will be trying it out ourselves and we will explain the science on how the explosion works.
You will need a bottle of Diet Coke and some Mentos. The best way to put the Mentos in the bottle is to use a tube like this paper towel roll.
As soon as you pour the Mentos in, make sure you run away or you'll get splashed in the face with Coke.
2, 1.
Oh my god.
Soda is full of carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide forms lots of tiny bubbles. This bubbling is called nucleation. The surface of a Mento is full of little pores that the CO2 clings to in order to escape the bottle's pressure. These bubbles rise to the top of the bottle and push the liquid out of the way in the process.
Thank you guys for watching.
We hope to see you in the next video.
Bye.